Most people think profit only comes from taking trades. Buy here, sell there, book points, feel smart. But what if I told you that sometimes not trading is actually a form of profit? A profit most traders never learn to respect. Every time you open a trade, you are paying a cost. Brokerage, slippage, mental energy, emotional risk. When the market is unclear, choppy, or not matching your setup, forcing a trade doesn't make you active, it makes you vulnerable. By not trading in those moments, you are saving capital. And saving capital is the first rule of making money. Think about this. If you lose money on a bad trade, you don't just lose cash, you lose confidence. You start questioning yourself. One loss leads to frustration, frustration leads to revenge trading, and suddenly one bad decision turns into a bad day, then a bad week. By choosing not to trade, you stop this chain reaction before it even begins. Professional traders understand one thing very clearly. They are not paid to trade every day. They are paid to trade well. Waiting is part of the job. Sitting on your hands while others are overtrading is not weakness, it's discipline. It means you respect your rules more than your urge to be busy. There are days when the market gives no clear direction. Price moves randomly, setups fail, emotions run high. On such days, not trading means you avoided unnecessary losses. That avoided loss is invisible profit. It won't show up in your P&L, but it shows up in your account balance staying intact. Not trading also protects your mindset. When you stay out of bad conditions, you stay calm. A calm mind sees opportunities more clearly. You're not desperate, you're not chasing, you're waiting for your moment. And when the right setup finally comes, you're mentally fresh and financially ready. Many traders confuse action with progress. They feel guilty when they don't trade. They think, I wasted the day. But doing nothing is sometimes the smartest decision. In trading, patience is a position, cash is a position, and staying flat is a strategy. So the next time you feel the urge to trade just because the market is open, pause. Ask yourself, is this trade part of my plan or part of my emotion? If it's emotion, walking away is profit, real profit. Because in trading, surviving is winning. And sometimes the best trade you'll ever take is the one you didn't take.